Imagine your mouth as a lush, vibrant rainforest, teeming with trillions of tiny inhabitants. In this ecosystem, you have beneficial creatures that maintain harmony, and you have disruptive ones that can cause chaos. The health and stability of this entire rainforest depend on one thing: balance. When that balance is lost, problems like cavities, bad breath, and gum disease are inevitable. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most important frontiers in modern health: your oral microbiome. We'll explain what it is, what throws it out of balance, and most importantly, how you can rebuild it to create a naturally healthy and resilient mouth. So, what is the oral microbiome? It's the official name for that community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses living in your mouth. The goal of oral hygiene should not be to kill all of them. That's impossible and undesirable. The goal is to cultivate a diverse and balanced community where the good guys thrive and keep the bad guys in check. The good guys, or beneficial bacteria, are essential. They help with the initial digestion of your food. They produce beneficial compounds. And they actively police the troublemakers, preventing them from forming large colonies. The bad guys, or pathogenic bacteria, are the ones you hear about. Streptococcus mutans is famous for eating sugar and producing the acid that causes cavities. Porphyromonas gingivalis is a major culprit behind the toxins that lead to severe gum disease. When these guys are allowed to multiply and dominate, your oral health suffers. This state of imbalance is called dysbiosis. So what causes it? First, a high sugar and processed carb diet. This is the number one cause. You are selectively feeding the bad acid-loving bacteria, giving them all the fuel they need to multiply rapidly and take over the ecosystem. Second, the overuse of harsh antiseptic mouthwashes. While it feels clean, a harsh alcohol-based mouthwash can be like setting off a bomb in your rainforest. It indiscriminately kills both good and bad bacteria, creating a sterile wasteland that the most aggressive, fastest-growing bad bacteria often repopulate first. And third, dry mouth. Saliva is the river that runs through your rainforest. It has antibacterial properties and helps maintain a healthy pH. Without sufficient saliva flow, the environment becomes stagnant and acidic, allowing pathogens to thrive. So, how do we fix this? How do we rebuild a healthy, balanced oral microbiome? Step 1. Feed the good guys with prebiotics. The good bacteria need food to thrive, and their favorite foods are prebiotics, which are essentially types of fiber. The action: increase your intake of fiber-rich vegetables and legumes. Foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and leafy greens provide the fuel your beneficial microbes need to grow strong and multiply. Step 2. Repopulate with probiotics. You can introduce more good citizens directly into your city. The action: incorporate naturally probiotic-rich foods into your diet. Plain yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods can help to repopulate your mouth and gut with beneficial bacteria. Step 3. Create a safe habitat. This means ditching the harsh chemicals and practicing gentle, effective hygiene that removes plaque without destroying the entire ecosystem. It also means managing stress and supporting your systemic health to create an internal environment that naturally favors balance over chaos. Rebuilding your microbiome is the ultimate inside-out job. It's about creating a fundamentally healthy oral environment where the good guys naturally win. While these dietary and lifestyle shifts are your foundation, a dedicated systemic formula can provide powerful, targeted support to accelerate this process. For those looking to provide deep systemic support for a healthy and balanced oral ecosystem, I've placed a link to a professional-grade solution designed for this exact purpose on the very first line of the description. Thank you for watching. Thinking of your mouth as a garden to be cultivated, not a battlefield to be sterilized, is a true paradigm shift. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Have you ever considered the health of your oral microbiome before? Let me know in the comments.